Normally I try and protect highlights when I'm shooting, but today is all about mystifying and streaking them with these. I've got Reeflex's quarter black mist and half gold mist filters, and I've got the blue streak and gold streak filters. Let's start with the mist filters. These are filters with gold and black diffusion particles embedded into the glass that scatter light, giving you atmospheric bloom around highlights and softer contrast without affecting image quality. Both use our Remag system for easily attaching and stacking. And in terms of results, the black mist is the more subtle of the two at a quarter strength, while the gold is the stronger at a half strength, and it adds a warm glow. But the results really depend on the lighting conditions, particularly how strong and concentrated the light is and how much micro contrast is in your scene. This is an unedited iPhone RAW photo taken without a filter, and it's really sharp and detailed, which is what we love RAW for. And this one was taken with the quarter black mist. It's given the highlights in the background a nice glow, and there are fewer bumps and lines on the skin, making it more flattering while preserving skin tones. And in this black mist example, you can see the signature bloom that photographers love mist filters for. Since the gold mist is the stronger filter, the bloom is a bit bigger and it's got a warm halo. But like the overall effect of the mist filters, the size of the bloom really depends on how bright and concentrated the light source is. Here's a gold mist example where the point source isn't very large or bright, so the bloom is subtle. And these are unedited black and gold mist examples shooting directly into the sun at golden hour. Without the filters, you'd typically try to avoid shooting into a bright point light like this because hair gets this ugly aliasing effect. With our mist filters though, it becomes a desirable thing to do. But even without a bright, concentrated light source, if there's high micro contrast in a scene, the mist filters will soften that contrast, which can take the hard, clinical quality off a digital file. It's subtle, you'll notice it more in a comparison than you would on its own, but if the clinical digital look bothers you, then it's a way to take the edge off in camera. And whether you're shooting in conditions like this or like this, one of the key takeaways here is that the filters aren't too aggressive. We've carefully calibrated the size and density of the diffusion particles, so we don't affect image quality and we don't overpower the entire frame. If you want a stronger effect, you can very easily stack the filters with our magnetic Remag system. And we have step-up rings so you can use the filters with our various G-series lenses. Here I stacked the gold mist on top of our 1:5 variable ND, which itself was mounted to our 2x telephoto lens via a step-up ring to shoot video. And when I take off the gold mist filter, it's still a beautiful shot, but we lose that golden atmospheric glow. Now let's look at the streak filters. The mist filters scatter light in all directions, whereas the streak filters spread it along a single axis via a series of fine parallel ridges. We've got blue for the classic anamorphic look and gold for warm cinematic flares. In this wide shot, the sun is really small and we're looking directly at it, so we're getting a long, thin, golden flare right across the frame. Whereas in this ultra telephoto shot, the sun is much larger in the frame and it is a bit dimmer and more diffused because it's behind a cloud, so the streak is thicker and softer. And shooting through things is the best way to control the size and the strength of the flares. Here you can see me rotating the blue streak filter and slowly moving to the left in order to make the sun shine from behind this building more prominently, thus increasing the size of the flare. And if you want a more scattered look, shoot through things that break up the light, like blinds, foliage, and even hair. This video clip is a triple stacked situation. I'm shooting with the 2x telephoto lens with the blue streak on top of the gold mist on top of the 1:5 VND. And you can see me rotating the blue streak during the clip to move the flare out of the way. So in this clip, we've got ProRes RAW video from the iPhone 17 Pro The 2x telephoto lens is giving us a 48mm focal length with beautiful bokeh. The 1:5 VND let me use a 180-degree shutter angle at 24 frames per second. The gold mist gave me warm, atmospheric bloom and glow, while the blue streak gave us magical dancing flares. And speaking personally, I've used a quarter black mist filter on my Sony camera for a few years now, even during this shoot. So I'm really excited about these new Reeflex mist filters. It was my first time using a gold mist, but it certainly won't be the last. You'll be seeing beautiful golden blooms and flares popping up all throughout my videos going forward. And we are all looking forward to seeing what you do with them. As always, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and happy shooting.